Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Do you know 96% of website visitors are not ready to buy and need nurturing through the sales funnel? It's also highlighted by the fact that companies with well-defined sales and marketing-aligned funnels see a 36% higher customer retention rate. So it's fair to say that creating mind-blowing sales funnels is one of the biggest and most untapped business-boosting opportunities for the next decade. Yes, even if you're an established business honcho or just starting out in the digital marketing universe, artificial intelligence is the new granddaddy in the sales funnel creation universe, and businesses of all shapes and sizes can't ignore its huge worth at any cost. Now, if you're thinking about why is artificial intelligence growing so rapidly, the reason for that is simple, my friend. Artificial intelligence promises to create high-quality and stunning sales funnels, landing pages, membership portals, and much more with zero or very less human dependency. I'm sure you're aware of what the world's leading funnel creation platforms charge monthly. ClickFunnels, $147 a month. Shopify, $360 a month. Kajabi, $319 a month. Leadpages, $99 a month. Convertri, $97 a month. Wix, $32 a month. They have millions of subscribers and are making billions of dollars monthly only by selling sales funnels on red-hot topics to their audience globally. So there's an urgent need for a brand new artificial intelligence-based technology for creating and selling sales funnels that guarantees a tested way to convert leads into customers for business owners across the globe. But all that glitters is not gold. Creating your first profitable sales funnel that resonates with your brand comes with its own set of problems, and they literally make life difficult for aspiring marketers. So if you're a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone willing to tap into this huge potential and create profitable sales funnels, landing pages, membership portals, etc. for you 24/7, 365, without wasting money on hiring expensive freelancers, without purchasing any complicated platforms, without doing anything yourself, or depending on expensive third-party subscriptions, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting FunnelBuddy AI, the world's fastest and easiest automated funnel builder that creates mind-blowing sales funnels, membership portals, websites, course sites, store funnels, workflows, landing pages, and much more for any offer in any niche for a low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, sell and profit. Here are some of its amazing benefits. First-to-market AI tech that replaces 15-plus complicated and expensive funnel builders. Use AI to create ultra-fast landing pages that convert random visitors into lifetime happy customers. Create mind-blowing sales funnels that convert leads into customers in under 60 seconds. Drive a constant flow of visitors for any offer in any niche in just 3 clicks. Get professionally crafted templates to build websites and landing pages to get 10x more engagement. Create eye-catchy sales pages for your offers with no coding and designing skills. Instantly sell hordes of digital products to global audience with 0 grunt work. Premium autoresponder integration to send targeted emails to your list with 0 monthly cost. Easily add custom domains to boost your brand recognition and trust among customers. Use countdown timers to create scarcity and drive more visitors to take desired action. Boost the accessibility of your website with custom HTML and CSS. Get integrated shopping cart to enable customers to maximize their purchase. 0 third-party dependency. Manage everything from one central dashboard. Save money on expensive and recurring funnel creation platforms that charge huge every month. Start your own profitable funnel creation and selling agency business in 3 easy clicks. Stand out from the crowd and create a distinct niche for yourself. No creating a single funnel or designing anything yourself. Our revolutionary AI does it all. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included, and tons of other benefits with your access today. And here's the biggest news. Now you can make even more profit by helping businesses with complete agency commercial license. Yes, with this premium commercial license, even you can make a cool passive income by creating high in-demand sales funnels, landing pages, etc. for your clients as well. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then FunnelBuddy AI is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. FunnelBuddy AI will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get FunnelBuddy AI for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.